And can't feel my intro with you watching me. I cannot feel my intro with you watching me. Hey y'all, it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. And we are back with another video. If you are new to my channel, come on in, friend. Have a seat in my little beauty community. If you like beauty, curvy girl fashion, lifestyle, and a sprinkle of mommy content, then you found the right content creator for you. Period. To my 800 plus tried and trues, I see y'all, I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all have really been moving my content, specifically on YouTube, and I see the growth, and we're not gonna get misty, but just know I see y'all. Thank y'all for the love and support, for even watching my stuff. Y'all ain't got to, but y'all choose to, and y'all ride with me, period. Alrighty, so as you guys can tell by the title, we will be showcasing Target's Black History Month collection. Every year, Target partners with different Black-owned brands to create unique and exclusive pieces that are sold in their Black History Month collection, and I am here for it. I love the fact that Target is giving these Black brands the opportunity to really showcase items, their products. The first one that really stuck out to me that they did was when they put the lip bar in Target. If you don't know now, you know I love me some lip bar. I love me some Melissa Butler. And after the journey that company went through, especially being on Shark Tank and the whole story, if you don't know, go Google it. For Target to put them in their stores, I was like, yes. And continuously putting different Black brands, Black founded brands and Black owned brands in their stores, giving them an even extra boost on their platform and their journey as a business. I love that, and I will forever support that. Take my Black dollars, Target. So, yes, Bubba. I say all that to say, let's get into what I got. So normally I would try to showcase the full collection for you guys. Unfortunately, I just didn't get around to getting that kind of content filmed. So what I will be showing you is just literally just a handful of pieces that I grabbed that I wanted to get. So we'll start off with the banger. Okay. So this is the legendary Rootz Queen Crop Sweatshirt and Jogger set. Y'all, I'll put a picture up of it on the Target model. I'll put a picture up of it, like the video of me wearing it. Y'all, this jogger set, I feel like every Black History Month collection, Target does a jogger set. And this year they did too. One was more of that kind of like plasticky 80s kind of material, which I didn't care for as much. The style was cute, but I just didn't care for that material now. But this one stole my heart. This queen set, I'm pissed I didn't get the earrings, because they had some earrings like these teardrop earrings, not teardrop, but they're like long dangled earrings that said queen. I'll see if I can put a picture up. I should have got them when I saw them, but I didn't. But they would have went phenomenally with this outfit. But you know, you live, you learn, because now the earrings are sold out. But like I said, this is with the brand legendary Rootz. I love this jogger set. I'm so glad I got it. I believe I got the top in an XL and I got the bottom in a 2XL. If not, I'll make sure I put it on the screen. But if you don't get nothing else from this collection, get this set. It's perfect. It's not too heavy, not too light. If for running errands, or even if you just want like a cute casual fit, I cannot wait to style this up. But anyway, I don't know if I am going to mention that this isn't going to be a lengthy haul. Like I said, I just got a handful of items. So that was this jogger set here. So up next is the HBCU Design Challenge graphic tees. So apparently what they do is they reach out to different HBCUs and they have students compete to be able to have their graphic tee showcased in this collection, if I'm understanding correctly. So the first graphic tee that we got is actually the one I'm wearing right now. I actually wore it to work today. I don't know if you could see it, but this is the Black Woman in the Sun graphic tee, and it was by a young man. Oh, I do not remember his name. I'll try to put a picture up of the designer or the HBCU student who won this t-shirt, made it to the collection. I love it. I'm in my graphic tee era. Now that I'm at chapter 33 in the book of me, I am in my graphic tee era. and I am loving graphic tees. So this one for sure I knew that I wanted to get. I'm gonna show you guys just different ways that I styled it. I styled it with a jean skirt, and I also styled it with a faux leather brown mini skirt. It's a look. It's a look. It's a look. I'm just saying, it's a look. So that's this graphic tee here. I did get mine in a large. It is unisex, so it could be for men or women. So I kind of knew with that sizing, I could do probably a large. I really could even have done a medium if I wanted to, but I wanted a little wiggle room and a little comfort. But that's this graphic tee here. So then up next is the HBCU iconic grid graphic tee. So I'll put a picture up from the site, and I'll put a picture up of me in it with some faux leather cargo pants that I also got from Target. And yeah, this graphic tee eats. I really want to get, if I can, a faux leather like skirt, like black skirt, and then I'm done. No more buying. Jessica. But anyway, I really thought this was super cute paired with these black cargo pants. It'll also be really cute with jeans. And trust me when I say I got a matching shirt for my child, because I'm that mother. Yes, I am a boy mom, and I'm so glad that this shirt is unisex, because I wanted to get a shirt for him before we could take some pictures and all that cute little stuff, because I am that mom. This graphic tee here. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Like I said, I really did not go ham and try and or get everything in this collection. I mainly grabbed the pieces that I knew I really, really wanted, but the collection as a whole is always a banger. Shout out to you, Target, for even doing this. You'll forever have my support as long as you're showcasing Black-owned brands and giving them an even extra boost to their platform to really showcase their design skill, to just showcase their brand and the different products that they have for, you know, Black folks. Listen, take my money. I'll keep supporting, because I'm here for it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are already not subscribed, what are you doing? As you can see, we are tons of fun over here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment down below, and tell me what was your favorite piece, or if you've tried any of the Black History Month items, which one. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. If you guys want more style tips, more content is to come. This is the first video, which is Black History Month, but trust me, baby, we're doing V-Day next. If you don't know now, you know Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday of all time. You think I wasn't gonna give y'all some Valentine's Day content? So stay tuned. All right, and with that being said, we out this beach. Out this beach. Hey, out this beach. Out this beach. Out this beach. Hey, out this beach. Bye, y'all.